fifth problem, second bit. Mark this as most important problem. Note on the problem. If x is real, then show that 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lie between 1 and 4. Does not lie between 1 and 4. If x is real, then show that 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lie between 1 and 4. This model already we did. This is the most important problem. Try to listen carefully. First you have to take the given expression as y 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Now this implies y is equal to, what is the LCM? 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Here you will get x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1 minus 1. This plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. This implies y is equal to 4x plus 1 by 3x square, 3x plus x, 4x plus 1. Now just I took LCM here, 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Here we will get x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. X plus 3x, 4x plus 1 by, expand this, 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x plus x, 4x, 1 into 1, 1. Now take cross multiplication, 3x square y plus 4xy plus y is equal to 4x plus 1. Bring this down to this side. So 3x square y plus 4xy plus y minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this implies x square into 3y plus x into 4y minus 4 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So since x is real, we have to apply delta greater than or equal to 0. So since x is real, we have to apply delta greater than or equal to 0. If we apply delta greater than or equal to 0, then what we are going to get, let us see. So delta means b square minus 4ac. Here a is 3y, b is 4y minus 4, c is y minus 1. So that's why b square minus 4ac you have to apply. B square means here 4y minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 3y into y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. 4y minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 3y into y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So let us expand this. What we are going to get? So 4y whole square, 16y square plus 16 minus 2 into 4, 8 into 4, 32y minus 12y square, 4 into 3y, 12y minus into minus plus 12y greater than or equal to 0. Further simplification, 4y square, 16y square minus 12y square, 4y square minus 32y plus 12y minus 20y plus 16 greater than or equal to 0. This implies divide with 4, 4 into y square minus 5y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Send this 4 to that side. Y square minus 5y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. If you see the factors, if you find the factors, you are going to get y minus 1 into y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So I told you already so many times. So the formula for x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equal to 0 implies x belongs to minus infinity comma alpha. That means y belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 4 to infinity. That means here y lies between minus infinity to 1 and also 4 to infinity. That means y does not lies between 1 and 4. So you can write y does not lies between 1 and 4. That only you have to prove. Why? Because you have to show that this expression does not lie between 1 and 4 That only you have to prove. So hence prove. So most important problem, mark this as most important. All of you mark it with the star marks. Okay, note down. Next problem, problem number 6. Note on the problem number 6. If x is real, find the maximum value of x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3. If x is real, find the maximum value of x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3. Let us see the solution of this one. Same model, so many problems we did till now. So I told you already, almost all problems based on this model we are doing. Why? Because these problems are important for final exam. Let y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3. Take cross multiplication. X square y plus 2xy plus 3y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 9. So if you see this, x square into y, 2x into y, 2xy, 3 into y, 3y, and this step as it is I wrote here x square plus 14x plus 9. Now bring all the terms to this side. So what you are going to get, x square y plus 2xy plus 3y minus x square minus 14x minus 9 is equal to 0. So here, after bringing all the terms to this side, just convert this equation into the form of ax square plus bx plus c. X square into y minus 1 plus x into 2y minus 14. So x square y minus x square into y minus 1 plus x into 2y minus 14 plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. X square into y minus 1 plus x into 2y minus 14 plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So since x is real, we have to follow same model. Delta is greater than or equal to 0. This implies b square 2y minus 14 whole square b square minus 4 into a is y minus 1 and c is 3y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. This implies, expand this, what you are going to get, 4y square plus 196 minus 2 into 2, 4 into 14, 56y minus 4 into 3y, 12y square, 3y into y, 3y square into 4, 12y square minus 3y minus 9y. This is minus 1 into 3y, minus 3y and minus 9y, minus 12y plus 48y we are going to get, minus 12y into minus 1. Just I am expanding, nothing more than that. 9 into 1, 9 minus 36 greater than or equal to 0. So what we are going to get, further simplification will give us 4y square minus 12y square minus 8y square minus 56 plus 48 minus 8y 196 minus 36 plus 160 greater than or equal to 0. Divide with 8, what you are going to get, minus y square minus y plus 20 greater than or equal to 0. Multiply with minus sign on both sides, what you are going to get, y square plus y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. That means what you are going to get, if you factorize it, y square plus 5y minus 4y minus 20 less than or equal to 0, y into y plus 5 minus 4 into y plus 5 less than or equal to 0, which implies y plus 5 into y minus 4 less than or equal to 0. This implies y belongs to minus 5 comma 4. Therefore maximum value is equal to 4. Because this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value of the given expression. So same model, total problems already, so many problems we did, that's why I am going a little bit fast. So try to copy it fast. Right, same model, one more problem I am doing now. is given as word example in your textbook. Example 3.2.6. Example 3.2.6, page number 77. Find the range of x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Note on the problem. Note on the problem. Right. Same model. Let us see the solution. Let y is equal to x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Take cross multiplication. X square y minus xy plus y is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Take cross multiplication. X square y minus xy plus y is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Now x square y minus xy plus y minus x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take common x square into y minus 1 minus x into y plus 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Just I have converted into the form of ax square plus bx plus c. From these two terms, I am taking common x square into y minus 1 minus x into y plus 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, since x is real, actually in problem, they has not given, we have to mention it if x is real. That is most. So, whenever x is real, we have to take delta greater than or equal to 0. So again b square minus 4ac y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because b square, in the place of b we are having minus of y plus 1, but whenever we are squaring it, minus whole square will become plus only. So y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a into c, that is y minus 1 into y minus 1. What we are going to get now? Y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 1. Y square minus 2y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Further expansion, y square plus 2y plus 2y plus 1 minus 4y square minus into minus plus 8y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now this implies y square minus 4y square minus 3y square plus 10y minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Multiply with minus sign, 3y square minus 10y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. If you multiply with minus sign, inequality sign changes. So 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. So 3y into y minus 3 minus 1 into y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. So which implies 3y minus 1 into y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Bring 3 to outside. Y minus 1 by 3 into y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Send this 3 to that side. Y minus 1 by 3 into y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. This implies y belongs to closed interval 1 by 3 comma 3. So same model problem, that's why I am going little bit fast. So that is the range of the given expression. Note down all of you. Right. Now let us go for the next concept. Based on this concept only we will get only 2 marks problem. There will be SAQs based on this model. outsideing extreme values of the expression ax square plus bx plus c. You can say extreme values, or you can say maximum and minimum values of the expression ax square plus bx plus c. Extreme values of the expression ax square plus bx plus c. For finding the extreme values, that means either maximum or minimum. Actually, this expression ax square plus bx plus c may have maximum or minimum value. That means whenever it is having the maximum value, it will not have minimum value. Whenever it is having the minimum value, it will not have the maximum value. Why? Because we'll see here that can be done by two methods. So I am using the calculus method, that is already you have learned in first year maximum and minimum chapter. So I am using that concept for finding the maximum or minimum values of this expression ax square plus bx plus c. Let us see. So let f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So we are taking the expression as f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So our first step for finding the maximum or minimum values is, I will once again recollect that concept. So first step is you have to find f dash x, equate f dash x to 0. Okay, you will get the critical points. So wherever we are getting the critical points, there the function may have either maximum value or minimum value. That you need to check by using the second derivative test, that is f double dash x. Okay, if f double dash x is greater than 0, it will have minimum value. If f double dash x is less than 0, it will have maximum value. That concept already we learned in maximum and minimum chapter. So now f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Our next step is find f dash x. What is f dash x? A into derivative of x square 2x into derivative of x is 1. So that means what you are going to get 2ax plus b. Now after getting this, our next step is equate f dash x is equal to 0, implies 2ax plus b is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus b by 2a. Now this is the critical point. We got x is equal to minus b by 2a, or stationary point. F of x, we took ax square plus bx plus c. Try to understand the concept. We calculated f dash x, that is a into 2x plus b into 1, where constant derivative is 0, 2ax plus b. Now our next step is equate f dash x to 0. By equating 2ax plus b is equal to 0, we got x is equal to minus b by 2a. At this point, the function may have either maximum or minimum value. That can be done by using second derivative test. Now I am calculating f double dash x. Now f double dash x, why? Because why we are calculating f double dash x? To check whether it is having maximum value or minimum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a. For that, f double dash x, derivative of this one. Why? Because this is f dash x. So derivative of this one means 2a into derivative of x 1 plus derivative of b is 0. What you are going to get? 2a. That means we got f double dash x as 2a. That means the sign of f double dash x depends upon a or not. F double dash x sign depends upon a. That means if a is positive, f double dash x is also positive. If a is negative, f double dash x is also negative. That already we know. If f double dash x is greater than 0, it will have minimum value. If f double dash x is less than 0, it will have maximum value. For that reason, what I am doing is, if a less than 0, then what happens? Whenever a is less than 0 means this is negative. That means f double dash x is negative. Whenever f double dash x is negative, f of x will have maximum value. So if a less than 0, then f of x has maximum value. And second, if a is less than 0, then f of x has minimum value. Both happens at x is equal to minus b by 2a. At x is equal to minus b by 2a. That means either maximum value or minimum value. Both happens at x is equal to minus b by 2a. To find maximum or minimum value, what we did in the first year, just we have substituted x is equal to minus b by 2a in that expression. That means maximum or minimum value. Maximum or minimum value is equal to f of minus b by 2a, which is equal to a into minus b by 2a whole square, that is b square by 4a square. I am substituting x plus, in the place of x I am substituting minus b by 2a. A into minus b by 2a whole square means b square by 4a square plus b into minus b by 2a plus c. Now what happens here? A times gets cancelled. Now what you are going to get? B square by 4a minus b square by 2a plus c. If you take LCM, LCM is 4a b square minus 2b square plus 4ac, which is nothing but 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. So this is either maximum or minimum value. So proof no one will ask, but try to remember the concept. The expression ax square plus bx plus c will have maximum value or minimum value. It may have maximum value or minimum value, where it will have at x is equal to minus b by 2a. So it will have either maximum value or minimum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a. So, and maximum value or minimum value is given by 4ac minus b square by 4a. When it will happen maximum value, when it will happen minimum value. If a is less than 0, then it will have maximum value. It will become maximum value. If a is greater than 0, then it will have minimum value. If a is less than 0, it will have maximum value. If a is greater than 0, then it will have minimum value. Both the values are same. Maximum or minimum value is given by 4ac minus b square by 4a, that exists at x is equal to minus b by 2a. The most important concept, note down. Now let us see how the graphs of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is there. Actually for IP this is not important, so just even though I am giving 2 graphs only for IP, in objective I will give you more number of graphs. Right. Now graph of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Graph of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a parabola. Is a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Now, parallel to whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now let us see the graph of this. So 2 cases when a is greater than 0. So when a is greater than 0, already we know that it will have ax square plus bx plus c have minimum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a. Already we have learned in the concept itself. So that means the graph of this parabola will be like this. Whenever it is having the minimum value, so this is the minimum value. Here at x is equal to minus b by 2a, the value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. The graph of ax square plus bx plus c, when a is greater than 0, the graph will be like this, and the vertex of the parabola will become minus b by 2a comma 4ac minus b square by 4a. And in the second case, when a is less than 0, whenever a is less than 0, ax square plus bx plus c have maximum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a. So both the vertex will not change, same, but here it is having the maximum value x dash y dash. The graph will be like this in this case, and this is minus b by 2a 4ac minus b square by 4a. So here is the vertex in this case. Okay, so these are the two graphs. Whenever it is having the minimum value, the graph will come like this, and whenever it is having the maximum value, the graph will come like this. So try to remember, generally in IP they will not ask, but important for objective. In objective you will get more number of graphs also. Okay, note on this. Now let us go for the problems based on this concept. Problems based on this concept. Just one or two problems. Let us see. BSAQ, fourth problem. Another problem. Find the maximum or minimum value. Find the maximum or minimum values for the following expressions. One bit first. Let us take one bit. 3x square plus 2x plus 11, and the second bit, let us take 2x minus 7 minus 5x square. Sometimes they may give it